Asana tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open asana.com in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have one, begin by clicking the Get Started button on the homepage. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Type your email into the field, and then click the Continue button. A verification code will be sent to the email you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the message from Asana. Return to Asana and enter the code into the appropriate field. Once the code is verified, you'll be asked to provide your full name and create a password. Type in your full name, then enter a secure password. Click the Continue button to move on. Asana will now ask you a few questions about your work. Choose the options that best match your role or type of work. Then click Continue again. You'll then be prompted to name your first project. Type in a project name of your choice. After that, add a few task names and group them into sections based on your preferred organization. When that's complete, click Continue. Now, select a layout for your work and click Continue. You'll then be directed to your project page.